In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Discord link that doesn't expire. If you want to invite people to your Discord server without worrying about the invite link running out after a certain amount of time, this is a very simple setting to change. By creating a non-expiring invite, you can share the same link again and again, which is especially useful for communities, group projects, gaming servers, or any server where you want people to be able to join later without asking for a fresh invite. To get started, open Discord and go to the server where you want to create the permanent invite link. Make sure you're inside the correct server before continuing, since the invite link you create will apply to that specific server. Once you're there, look toward the top area of the server and click the drop-down arrow. This opens the server menu, where you'll find several options related to managing and sharing the server. From that menu, click Invite to Server. This will open the invite window, where Discord generates a shareable invite link for that server. At first, the link may be set to expire automatically, so the next part is the important setting you'll need to change. In the invite window, click Edit Invite Link. This is where you can customize how the invite behaves. If you don't change anything here, the link may only work for a limited amount of time, depending on Discord's default settings. Next, find the drop-down arrow for the expiration setting and click it. A list of time options will appear. From that list, choose Never. This tells Discord that you want the invite link to stay active instead of expiring after a few hours or days. After selecting Never, click Generate a New Link. This step is important because it applies the updated settings and creates a fresh invite URL based on the non-expiring option you just selected. If you skip this and use the old link, it may still follow the previous expiration settings. Once the new link is generated, you can copy it and share it wherever you need. Anyone with that link will be able to use it as long as the invite remains active and the server settings don't change later. One quick tip: if you want better control over who joins your server, double check your other invite settings before sharing the link widely. But if your goal is simply to create a Discord invite that doesn't expire, that's all you need to do.